Mikko Mattinen, welcome, good morning. You are director at the Finnish Digital Agency, more specifically in the Digital and Population Data Services Agency. Your professional expertise involves everything around digital transformation, and you've been quite successful at that, as Finland is very at the forefront of digital transformation and has seen quite a lot of success on that front. So maybe a first question for you. What inspired you to focus on digital transformation, and what are some milestones for you personally?
Yeah, well, for us, the digital transformation is the thing of this time, and most probably there are other fascinating sectors and operations currently going on, but still for me, underlying digitalization is the thing.
Okay, but let's maybe dive into maybe more successes also that Finland has seen. Would you like to share us a bit on a successful digital transformation project that you were involved in Finland, and explain a bit what that was about?
Yeah, and this is more like a greetings from the Northern Europe. So Finland, Sweden, Norway, Denmark has a long tradition on working together on joint activities, and currently we have a activity called DigiGov Lab, which is like a cross-border digital services project, and we are so happy that we have started the project because, of course, as you understand that these countries are quite similar. Coming to digital literacy, technology is fairly advanced, and we are on the same level, and we have a quite similar like basic registries. So we are up and running and fairly well ready to do these kinds of like cross-border digital services. The second thing is, of course, as AI, one of the emerging technologies like blockchain and digital twins. So this AI is something that we have been seeing one of the key milestone on the project, how to develop the cross-border digital services. And that's why we want to enhance the usage of the actual cross-border digital services combining with emerging technologies such as AI. And the basic idea is to build even smoother societies up in the Northern Europe. And of course, we would like to see this happening in Central Europe as well. And hopefully we can share these experiences in the coming years with the other member states.
That's great to hear, and sharing those insights will help everybody, also yourself. You are exploring with AI, experimenting with AI. Maybe following up on that, what are some challenges that you already have seen when implementing these kinds of technologies, and how can digital or public administrations deal with that?
Yeah, depends on the definition of AI, but still, from our point of view, it's still like emerging technology, and somehow we see that because there are no off-the-shelf kind of like solutions available currently, we are still in the experimental phase. So all the solutions that will come after this project will be definitely much better, because then there will be commercial off-the-shelf solutions which can be deployed on building the cross-border digital services. So in that sense, I see that there's like a brighter future ahead of us because of the off-the-shelf kind of like solutions. I see it more like a possibility. Of course, definitely currently it's a hindering aspect that there isn't that much off-the-shelf solutions.
And indeed, so we've talked a bit about AI and also how to integrate that seamlessly. It also has to do with interoperability, which is of course the whole topic that SEMIC is involved with. How do you see SEMIC's role in there? Can SEMIC mean something for you in Finland, but also when spreading that knowledge to Central Europe, as you said? How do you see that role for SEMIC? How can it help?
Yeah. Combining AI and SEMICs is important because one of the key aspects in all societies is like the trust. And the basis for AI trust will be partly because of SEMICs. And from our point of view, this is one of we have like 3 different proof of concepts. So one of the proof of concepts is like the AI trust. And we are still trying to figure out that what kind of like components do we need in order to build a truly functioning AI trust. And SEMIC should be definitely one of the components in building this kind of like AI trust-based solutions.
Okay, yeah. So that's then related to the governance that SEMIC can support. Also, is there also some more interoperability-oriented aspects that you see as a challenge, perhaps when it comes to the data to train these models, AI, or maybe the other way, can AI help us with these data issues?
Yeah. Of course, the basis is that internet wouldn't be existing without any interoperability. And secondly, because we have these basic registries already available, so we can exchange more or less fluently data between nations. So that's why the cross-border digital services and the interoperability are in the heart of these proof of concept that we are currently building.
Thanks, Mikko. This was a very interesting interview for us. We've learned a lot. So enjoy the rest of your conference as well, and talk to you next time.
Thank you.